Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're having a problem with your Keurig and you have water pouring out the bottom or out the top or not flowing where it should, you got two main problems with it. See where that toothpick is? That's going to be plugged. Second problem, most common, is this. All the little ports are full of coffee grinds. You need to clean it out. Run this underneath the tap, open up all the little ports. See them right in here. Make sure these are clean. Make sure your bottom ones are clean, your main drain ones there. There we go. Here, right there, see where this toothpick is at, that is a major problem with them getting plugged. Shine a little more light in here if possible. You can see where this, I'm running a toothpick through. This is completely full of coffee grinds. Right there. There's a main problem and a sticking point. This is not flowing, which causes problems down below. There you go. You can see a little bit of coffee grinds down inside here, down in the corners. We'll just get in here and we'll just kind of do that. Well, it doesn't take much to get these three little ports. Again, just take gently, take your toothpick, that's what I'm using here, and you're just going through. See how it's like coming out the back side here? Get the camera a little better. That's what it should be doing, is it should be free and clear from both sides. There you go. Toothpick is coming through. Now the water will flow through here and will not back up in the system. If you have one of these little single cup kind of ones, two major problems, there and there. If you have any questions or comments on this, please leave them. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and as always, leave a comment. Cheers, appreciate your time.